This video walks you through importing the board's firmware into an Atmel Studio project using Atmel Start. We'll add custom code which accepts any digits sent from the cloud and promptly sends it back. Before we begin, make sure you have downloaded and installed Atmel Studio, which can be found at the following link. Make sure the board is connected through USB and open Atmel Studio. To import the board's firmware, press File, New, Atmel Start Example Project. In the board drop-down menu, find 80MB 3808 AVR IoT VG. Select AVR IoT VG sensor node followed by Open Selected Example. The current view shows all the different software components in the board's firmware. To learn more about how Atmel Start functions and the different software components, see the currently displayed link. There is no need to change anything for this example. Press Generate Project to download the firmware. Press OK when Atmel Start Importer prompts appears. The easiest way to add custom application to the firmware is through the Send to Cloud and Receive from Cloud functions. Send to Cloud runs on a set schedule, while Receive from Cloud runs when a new message has been received. We'll demonstrate this by adding echo functionality. Whenever a digit is received, it is sent back to the cloud. We have a global variable to store the last received digit. Received messages are in JSON format. In this scenario, the messages look like this. If you are not familiar with JSON, more information can be found on the currently displayed link. The Receive from Cloud function handles incoming messages. We find the echo token in the string and extract the one digit following it. This digit is saved to the global variable echo num. As with incoming messages, outgoing messages are also in the JSON format. To send the received number back, we add it as a variable in the JSON string going out. Now for the cloud implementation. Open the AVR IoT landing page and scroll down. Add a slider and name it Echo. Make the minimum value 0 and the maximum value 9. By doing so, only a single digit is sent at a time. Now, when we send a digit to the device, it is echoed back and displayed as a graph at the top.